If you don't have a store and you want to use Printful to print something such as for a reunion, when you want everyone to order the t-shirt, or if you haven't built your store yet and want to sell the product separately, you can send people a Printful link that will show your product and handle the selling for you. To do this, click Share. And then you have a few options. First, you need to have the product set to view only, so other people can see the product without logging in to Printful. After that, you'll get a link that everyone can use to view the product but not make any changes. The next option is to sell the product, and if you want only authorized people to see it, you can choose the option to add email addresses. This way, only those with the authorized email address will be able to view the product. The next option allows you to request that Printful charge you for the product. This is useful if you want a group of people to choose their size, but you are the one managing the order and payments, or if they've paid you through a different method. If you want them to be able to pay for their order, keep this option gray, inactive. You can also add a personalized message by clicking the option and writing whatever you'd like. After making your choices, you can click the button to get the link for the product page. If you choose to let people buy directly from Printful, sending them the link will allow them to order and pay for the product themselves. This is a cool option for making it easy for others to purchase the product without you needing to handle payments manually. If you choose to pay for the order yourself, it's not automatic. The customer will place the order and you need to approve and pay for it through your account. Like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.